Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am excited to get my video out today and show you an updated morning routine that I've put together for myself ever since I cleaned out my laundry room in that epic video. I have been trying to do this routine every morning to get myself in the routine, obviously, of getting the kitchen and the laundry room clean so I don't have to ever do that again. So what I start with usually is, by now my youngest son Chandler is already off at school, and there's about an hour and a half until my older son Hayden has to go to school. So I usually will clean up the kitchen, do some dishes, and if I have time, I head to the laundry room either before or after he gets home from school. So I've got a whole bunch of dishes to do today, and a lot of them I have to wash by hand because they're, cheap little Halloween plates or water bottles that can't go into the washing machine. I've been trying to be more conscious, I guess is the word, about how much water I've been using. So what I do is I will get all the dishes wet, then I'll scrub them, get them nice and clean, and then I will rinse them off and let them dry. I am using just some Method dish soap. Forgot the word for a second. And this awesome bottle brush that I got from Amazon. It has like a scrubber, a straw cleaner, and a bottle cap cleaner, and I love it. It's long enough to reach even my big, hydro flask, which is great. So I'm not really the biggest fan of cleaning up after dinner. I usually try to make my husband or my kids do it. Sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes it does. But today, most of it is cleaned up from last night, and so I'm just cleaning up the remnants. But I'll have Hayden help me do that, and he's always super helpful to me.
And I can reach you from a distance. I can, so beautiful. I can hear you within the silence. Ooh, we will dance away the gloomy days right here. We are silver lined, one of a kind, you and me. Stay close when it rains, let me keep parts of you. Hand in hand is how we sleep every night.
And because I'm too impatient to wait for this stuff to dry, I'm just going to dry it myself real quick and then put it away so I can clean up this countertop. And what I do with the bottles is I won't tighten the lids on them. I will just place it on top so it can still, still has airflow in it, and it can dry on the inside instead of just being wet and maybe even get moldy. I haven't actually had that happen, but why chance it, right?
And I will watch you breathe reach you from a distance. I can, so beautiful. I can hear you within the silence. Ooh.
So now that the kitchen is finally clean, I'm gonna head over to the laundry room and get working in there. I still have time before Hayden needs to go to school, so he'll be helping me with that also. I like to get the stuff off the floor first, put it where it needs to be, or put it straight into the washing machine, like I am doing with these bath mats. And then if I have stuff in the dryer, I will take all of that out, fold it, hang up what I need to, and then I'll put my clothes and my husband's clothes away, and then after school my kids have to come and put their own laundry away because they're big boys and they can do it themselves.
Beauty in the mundane, and as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.
Truly the best part of having this clean laundry room is having a spot to fold all of these clothes and towels and stuff right away, not just put it in a basket for it to, happen later, because it will always be later, at least in my case. I always have a reason to push things off, so when I just put it straight onto the countertop, I usually get it done right away.
Restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes.
And since I always lay my shirts out beforehand, I've gone back to using the hanger ears up top. And so I'll just separate out, my clothes, Anthony's clothes, my husband, and Hayden and Chandler's clothes. And then I'll just hang them up and wait for the boys to take theirs back.
Cover, agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all.
So after putting away our clothes, I will usually just pick up what's on the floor. Sometimes I'll vacuum if it needs it. Sometimes I won't. I usually do it maybe once or twice a week. And then that's going to be it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and you see proof that I have actually been keeping my laundry room clean. But I really wanted to tell you guys how much I appreciate all the sweet and nice comments that you left on my laundry room video. It was so unexpected and so amazing how great you guys were and encouraging, and I just really appreciate it. So I will see you guys next time, and I hope you have a great day.